Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Senior Commerce 6th chapter, Setting Up a Business. This is for 5 marks. From 10 to 13 questions, I told you it is very important for 5 marks. Any one question will come in your final exams. So here we are going to discuss about 10th question in your 6th chapter. What are the special provisions enacted by the Telangana state for MSMEs? It means micro, small and medium enterprises. These are nothing but small businesses. There is some range of money investment. According to that, their names are different. They are micro or small or medium enterprises. In our first year commerce, we have seen for which range we are calling it as micro and for which it is small and which it is medium. So our Telangana government, state government, so in every state they will support their own entrepreneurs. So this likewise in our state Telangana government is also helping these small medium scale enterprises. So those we are discussing few of them. First point is adequate number of smaller plots in industrial parks for SMEs and developed sheds for micro units. Adequate means how much is required. More than that, if it is there, then we will use the word adequate. Adequate number of smaller plots. I explained you what is industrial parks. Industrial parks or industrial estate means a particular same type of business or same type of industries are number of industries are there in one place. That area is called industrial estates, or nowadays they are calling it as industrial parks. So any number of industries are in one place. Like in our Khalilwadi, so many doctors are there in one place. Likewise, these industrial estates will be away from the city, and the same industries will be located in one place. So what is the benefit if these industrial estates are there for them? Transportation, availability of laborers, everything will be very easier to them. So there in that industrial parks, government is allotting them smaller plots, means some small areas are allotting to these small and medium enterprise people. So that is meaning of first point. Special fund for addressing incipient sickness. Sick industries means those who are facing losses from previous 1-2 years. So just to uplift their sickness, government is giving special fund to them so that they can recover from their losses and they can uplift their business. Next is special fund for IP registration assistance. Assistance means help. For registration purpose, whatever the help is required means in the name of means for money. So government is giving special fund for registration help also. Next is special fund for anti-pirating assistance. Pirating means copying. So not to copy their whatever they have invented, government is giving fund, providing fund to those. To do anti-pirating means not to copy this, for that security and safety, government is providing some fund to them and giving help also. Assistance is nothing but help. Next is special fund for technology transfer and modernization of medium, small and micro enterprises sector. So here government is providing fund for technology transfer. Technology transfer means all technical things are not invented in the same country or in the country. In different countries also different inventions will take place, and that inventions we want to introduce in our country, then we have to do technology transfer. For that we have to pay money to those who have invented this technology. So government is providing fund, special fund for to transfer this technology. And modernization of MSME sector. Modernization means what? Bringing new technology, modern technology, advanced technology in their business. Next is marketing assistance to participate in national and international trade shows. Marketing assistance means assistance is help. Marketing means awareness among the public that this type of products are available in our state. So government is helping in marketing assistance to participate in national and international trade shows. National means within the country, international means outside the country. In globalization, you are entering and you are doing trade shows. Trade shows means like exhibition. You are exhibiting your talent, your products, your items, whatever you have invented. that you are doing. So government is allowing you to participate in national and international trade shows, and wherever buyer and seller meet is there. Meet is nothing but just like a market, wherever buyers are also there and sellers are also there. These MSMEs are sellers, and where buyers are available, there government is giving opportunity to participate. One more point is consultant panel to respond to MSME entrepreneur needs. Panel means a group of people who are having a good knowledge about that particular business. So consulting panel means this group of more knowledgeable persons are consulting these entrepreneurs to find their needs. Just to consult them and to find out their problems and to give solution for that, this panel is being established by the government. So if you write this many points, you will get 5 marks. And there are in this chapter only we have 5 2 marks questions which are very important. Project report. Project report is different steps we have discussed in this chapter in initial stages, where project report has to be prepared by the entrepreneur when he is starting his own business. In this project report, he will enter all those points, whatever he has gained from talking to others, gaining the information, his perception, everything he will write in project report. And he also attach with this quotations and whatever the information he gathered, he will write that in project report, so that it will be helpful for registration purpose and while establishing the business. Even this project report is very helpful to him. Then after doing project report means whatever information he gathered, he will write in project report. Then after that, this stage will come project appraisal, where he will do rechecking of those reports. Means if anything is missing, he will write once again. If anything should be added, he will add those in project report. Means checking, rechecking whatever he wrote in project report. These two will be for 2 marks, and this is there in your very short answer questions. And these are term loans, bridge loan and working capital. These are also for 2 marks. Term loan means long period loan. Entrepreneur, while he is starting his business, he will apply for a loan in a bank. That time that loan for long period of time, that will be coming under term loan. So meanwhile, when his loan is not sanctioned, he can go for bridge loan. Bridge loan is only for short period of time till he receives term loan. He can satisfy or he can continue his activities with taking bridge loan. Bridge loan is only for short period of time. As soon as term loan is released, he has to pay back the bridge loan to the bank. Working capital. Working capital is another type of loan taken for short period of time for day-to-day activities. For day-to-day activities or recurring expenditures. Like recurring expenditures are like paying salaries, rent, interest or transportation charges or refreshments, whatever. For that, if you need money, you can take this type of money also from the bank. It is called as working capital. So with this we have finished 5 marks 1 question and 2 marks 5 questions. Thank you.